This rabbit couldn't stop sneezing. And every made the carrot patch shake. The Midnight Animal Club had to do something about it. They found the source of the sneezes, a tickly feather, and they got her a cool drink of water. But it was too late. She was already super dizzy from all the sneezing. She thanks the club for helping her out, but she just wants to go home now. As the other animals go to sleep, Rosie the Rabbit lays down in her bed of carrots. She still feels a little tickly, but now she's just sleeping. The next morning, she wakes up feeling so much better. She hops out of bed and runs to the garden. All the flowers are sneezing, too. It's spring, and all the flowers and animals are getting their allergies checked. What do you think? Was it the water that helped her, or the fact that she just got a really good night's sleep? Let me know in the comments.